How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how to check if the AirPods that you wanna buy or maybe just bought are fake. As you can see right here, this video is universal, so regardless of the AirPods model, it will work. So if it's normal AirPods, all generations, AirPods Pro, all generations, or AirPods Max, this video will work and you'll be able to check if they are original or fake. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so in theory, there are multiple ways to check if your AirPods are fake or not. Many people say you should check the box. So the printing right here, the stickers, of course, the paperwork that's inside, the accessories, and so on. Many other people will say that you need to check the AirPods themselves. So check here the case, the hinge, and many other things. But the reality is there's only one way to check if your AirPods are fake or not. And it's the same for all AirPods, as I mentioned before. And that's actually checking right here inside your AirPods, right there inside the lid, the serial number. With the serial number, we'll be able to check if the AirPods are not only fake, but also if they're brand new and they haven't been activated before. So yes, you do have to get the AirPods, open up, so unbox and have the AirPods with you in your hands. That's actually the only way to check, all right? And I know many of you guys are gonna say, yeah, Daniel, well, that's so annoying. I have to have the AirPods with me. I wanna be able to check with the box. I wanna be able to check before buying the AirPods. So in the store, or maybe get a photo from the seller if I'm buying it online or whatever. Yeah, guys, I know it's kind of frustrating, but that's the reality. If you want to be 100% sure your AirPods are original without buying them, so before buying them, you're gonna need to buy your AirPods from Apple. Otherwise, there's no way to check. You need to actually have the AirPods in your hands with you. And that's simply because fake AirPods, counterfeit AirPods are just too perfect. The box, the AirPods, everything is just so perfect, it's impossible to check on the naked eye just like that. We need to run a test. That's how we check, all right? And this test is super simple. As I said before, you need to get the serial number right here inside your AirPods. It's always gonna be here on all AirPods models, right? So AirPods Pro, AirPods Pro 2, normal AirPods, all generations. Of course, the only exception are the AirPods Max, right here. So it's super simple. All you have to do is flip here the cups and then remove this pad from the left cup, as you can see right here, and inside you'll see the serial number as well. Right here you see the serial number, okay? And then of course it's the exact same thing, the exact same process. And then all you have to do is go ahead here and get your iPhone and make sure your AirPods are activated. You gotta make sure that your AirPods have been paired with your iPhone at least once. So not only open it, as you just saw, right? Open it, unbox the AirPods, but also pair them with your iPhone at least once. So you're gonna open it up, right here, and then if it's the first time, the very first time, it's gonna say AirPods Pro or AirPods. So you go ahead, you pair, and you do that very first, okay, continue, and you just pair your AirPods. Make sure they're working and they are connected. When you do that, you make sure they are paired. All right, it's super important that you do that. You'll understand it in a second, okay? So now that you have the AirPods with you, paired at least once, right? Go ahead and open up Safari on your iPhone, and then we're gonna go to this website, which is checkcoverage.apple.com. Of course, I have a link in the description on the screen. So this is an Apple support website. So you're gonna make sure that you're doing the right thing, right? We're checking it with Apple. And right here, you're gonna go ahead and type in the serial number. That serial number that's printed right here on your AirPods, right? Right there, as I showed you before. So type it in, scroll down, and then type in the CAPTCHA, which is always very annoying. Let me see if I'm getting this one right. Probably, I think. A and E. Submit. Let's see. Nope, that's wrong. All right, I'm gonna have to do it again. Okay, so I had to do it again, now on a different browser in Google Chrome, just because I'm recording videos, so I'm doing it multiple times. Okay, so let's go ahead here and submit. And then, there we go. So, AirPods Pro with wireless charging case, my serial number and all. So that's already a great sign if you're checking if your AirPods are fake, because we typed in the serial number and it showed us the correct product. Perfect, we're great. So with this, we're pretty much 100% sure, but of course, those manufacturers of counterfeit AirPods, sometimes they put in the box and even in the case, print in the case here, authentic serial numbers. So that's why it's important to activate your AirPods, because then it's gonna show up right here, important information that you'll be able to check, not only if it's original, but also if they are brand new. Unfortunately, we can't see that kind of information because my AirPods are super old. They are from 2020, but I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So it's gonna look like something like that. A lot of information, as you can see right here, but the information that we want is actually this one: repairs and service coverage. So as you can see right here, that's your warranty. So we have here an expiration date of that warranty. And with that information, we can be 100% sure. So all you have to do is calculate if this expiration date right here is 1 year past the day you have activated your AirPods. So for example, let's say we have activated our AirPods today, January 16th, 2024. So then that expiration date right here on the bottom, it'll have to be January 15th, 2025. So it's 1 year minus 1 day, right? So that's how you calculate. So with that information, we can be 100% sure that the AirPods are original, they're not fake, and they are brand new. They haven't been activated before, because Apple showed us the AirPods, so great, the serial number matches, and of course, with that information of warranty, we can check if they are brand new and just activated. Of course, if you have activated your AirPods like 2 months ago, do the math, do the calculation, and of course, check if the warranty expires in 10 months, right? Because you activated 2 months ago, so it should expire 10 months from now. And just do the basic math right here and you'll be able to check. And that's why we shouldn't trust the information on the box, because as I said, it's super easy for those counterfeit manufacturers to go ahead here and print a fake serial number. So you put on the website, it'll show up right there, but you won't be able to check because you haven't activated the AirPods. So that's why it's necessary that you go ahead, open it up, activate, and then with the check coverage website, you'll be able to check if they are original and if they are brand new, check the expiration date. All right? So that's literally it. That's the only way to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video as usual, guys. Bye-bye.